Dear students, today we will start with introduction to determinants. Before coming to the definition, consider if we have an equation ax plus b equal to 0, then you know that the solution of this equation is minus b by a. But if we have two equations, in this equation a should not be equal to 0. Now consider two equations ax plus b equal to 0 and cx plus d equal to 0. Now if we want the solution of these two equations is same, that is the value of x that will satisfy equation 1 will also satisfy equation 2. So from 1 we have x equal to minus b by a, and from this we have x equal to minus d by c. The solution of these two equations will be same as we solve in class 10 simultaneous linear equations. These two equations will have same solution when minus b by a equal to minus d by c. Alright, b by a equal to d by c, and this implies BC minus AD is equal to 0. Cross multiply this, BC equal to AD, which gives you BC minus AD equal to 0, or we also can write AD minus BC equal to 0. Here AD minus BC, AD minus BC, note this, AD minus BC is called eliminant for these equations. AD minus BC. The equations were ax plus b equal to 0 and cx plus d equal to 0. This AD minus BC, if we write this AD minus BC like A, B, C, D. Between two vertical lines, A, D, B, C, D. And we will solve this, cross multiply these two, then put minus sign, cross multiply these two, equal to AD minus BC, then this is called determinant. So in other words, if we say what is determinant, this is an expression. It means determinant expressed an expression between two vertical lines in equal number of rows and columns. Here first I explain that what is the actual difference between determinant and matrix. Actually AD minus BC will be a value. So AD minus BC represent a numerical value. That is, determinant represent a numerical value, while matrix gives us informations and matrix has no numerical value. Look here, if we write, I am going to write matrix. Suppose if we write a matrix, suppose there is a shopkeeper or fruit seller and selling mango, banana, orange. Put this these things in one bracket and another bracket write 50, 40, 40. So what are they? These are two matrices. Mango 50 rupees per kilogram, banana 40 rupees per kilogram and orange 40 rupees per kilogram. So matrix is giving us information, it has no numerical value. But determinant represent a numerical value, or we also can say determinant and an expression can be represented with the help of determinant in a shorter way. So matrix can have different number of rows and column, but a determinant has equal number of rows and column between two vertical lines. So if we write A, B, C, D, this is determinant of order 2. Determinant of order 2 means 2 rows and 2 columns. Similarly, if we write A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, then this is determinant. In short, we will write DET, determinant of order 3. Determinant of order 3 means 3 rows and 3 columns. Now, how we will find the value of determinant? How we can, as I told you earlier, determinant represents a numerical value. Determinant एक numerical value को represent करता है. उस value को हम find out कैसे करते हैं? Suppose I am going to tell you a determinant of order 3, A1, B1, C1. Second row is A2, B2, C2. And third row is A3, B3, C3. Now let's solve this. When we solve this, write A1. Now hide the A1. A1 is in first column and first row. Hide these two. We have a determinant B2, C2, B3, C3. Then after A1, move to B1, it is minus B1. Now hide this and this. We have A2, C2, A3, C3. A2, C2, A3, C3. Plus, move to the next term in first row, C1. Now hide this row and this column, A2, B2, A3, B3. A2, B2, A3, B3. Now open this A1 bracket, B2, C3 minus B3, C2 minus B1 into A2, C3 minus A3, C2 plus C1. It is A2, B3 minus A3, B2. On simplifying, we will get the value of this determinant. Now the most important thing related to determinant is minor and cofactors. It's very important. Without knowing this, you will not be able to solve the problems based on this. So first, I will tell you about minors and cofactors. First, I will write a determinant. I will write it A11. A11 is first row, first column. A12, A13. Second row A21, A23, A22, A23, A31, A32, A3. minor obviously minor means chota. This determinant is of order 3, that is it contains 3 rows and 3 columns. What is minor? Minor means usse chota. We can find minor and cofactor of each and every element of determinant. For this, all these, there are 9 elements. We can find the cofactor of each and minor of each. First, I will find minor. Minor of A11. A11 means hide the first row and first column. When you hide first row and first column, you get A12, A13. Sorry, A22, A23, A32, A33, and we will denote it by capital M11. Similarly, if you want to find minor of A32, element is A32, means third row, second column, then hide third row and second column, the minor H. A11, A13, A21, A23, and this will be denoted by M32. Minor of third row, second column element. Cofactor is slightly different than minor. Minor means a chota determinant by eliminating a particular row and column. Now when we want to find cofactor, first I will find cofactor of A11. A11, again we have to hide first row and first column and write the minor. First row, first column hide किया, A22, A23, A32, A33. Only we have put -1 to the power 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1. If you minus 1 to the power 2, it will become positive, and this will be the value of cofactor. Cofactor will be denoted by C1. Similarly, if you want to find cofactor of A23, A23, second row and third column, then we will hide second row, third column. We have -1 to the power 2 plus 3. Second row and third column hide A11, A12, A31, A32. Now, as I told you earlier, how to find the value of determinant. Now again I am going to write the value of determinant with the using cofactor. Look here, it is A23. So this is the cofactor C2. Now I am going to write again the value of this determinant. We have A11, first hide किया, ये आया A22, A23, A32, A33, minus A12, it is A21, second row, first A12, first row, second column, A21, A23, A31, A33, plus A13. These two will be added, A21, A22, and A31, A32. Now see, A22, A23, A32, A33 is the cofactor of A11. A11 minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1, that will plus. So we can write A11, C11. Now cofactor of A12 minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2, that is minus. Take this minus sign with this determinant and put here plus A12, C12. Similarly, A13, C13. Now see, these digits are same. A11, C11, A12, C12, A13, C13. So when we multiply the elements of a particular row or column with the corresponding cofactor and then add, then we will get the value of that determinant. If we denote this determinant by delta, then this is the value of delta. This was the basic introduction with determinant. Again, in the next video, I will tell you the properties and using properties to solve a determinant.